Ready for a dragon flight? How to Train Your Dragon fans? Epic Universe revealed how Hiccup's wing gliders work. This roller coaster zooms you across the park, showcasing iconic spots like the Viking Village, Arena, and Dragon Habitats. And who starts it? Toothless, with a playful button press. Like and subscribe for more dragon magic.
Hey, you found Burst Chronicle Nest. Yay! There's nothing hard or horribly terrifying about that. Let's just keep moving.
Oh no.
Gang, I was